Fish sticks are a true classic. Kids love them, they save time for busy parents, and they're always ready in the freezer. But behind that crunchy favorite is a large-scale, high-tech production system. Today, we'll take you inside the factory where thousands of fish sticks are made every day, from deep-sea fishing to golden, crispy bites. It all starts in the cold waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, where the sea is clean and the fish are fatty, firm, and flavorful. The most common fish used for fish sticks are pollock, hake, cod, or haddock, all known for their mild taste and flaky texture. Fishing vessels catch the fish and freeze them right on board, just hours after being caught. This helps preserve the freshness and quality of the product. The frozen fish arrives at the plant in large blocks. Before it enters production, each block is inspected. Appearance, smell, color, and internal temperature are all checked. The quality control department rejects anything below standard. Only the best blocks continue down the processing line. The first step is thawing and cleaning. The fish is defrosted to the right temperature and thoroughly washed with cold water to remove ice, debris, and scales. Next comes filleting. The head, bones, fins, and internal organs are removed. The fillets are then washed again and inspected for any remaining bones or skin. Depending on the recipe, the fish follows one of two paths. Premium fish sticks use whole fillets cut into neat rectangular pieces. Mass market products are made from fish mince, leftovers from filleting, offcuts, and smaller pieces. These are ground, filtered, and turned into a uniform paste. The mince is shaped into soft, rectangular blocks, consistent in weight and thickness, ensuring every stick meets the standard. Now the fillets or blocks of mince move to the forming line. High-speed machines cut them into perfectly shaped fish sticks. Automation ensures each piece has the exact weight, size, and dimensions. Uniformity is important not just for packaging, but also for even cooking later on. Next comes the breading, the step that gives fish sticks their signature crunch and appetizing look. Each stick is dipped into a wet batter, a mix of water, flour, and spices, which helps the breadcrumbs stick. Then, they pass through a cascade of crisp, evenly sized breadcrumbs, ensuring a smooth, even coating on all sides. The breaded sticks enter an industrial deep fryer. Oil temperature around 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry time, 30 to 60 seconds. That's enough to seal the coating, but not fully cook the inside. This process is called flash frying, a partial fry that locks in shape and creates a crunchy shell. Fresh out of the fryer, the sticks are hot and delicate. Letting them cool naturally would make them soggy and ruin the texture, so they are immediately sent into a blast freezer. Temperature, minus 40 degrees Celsius, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Powerful fans rapidly remove heat, freezing the product in minutes. This locks in structure, flavor, and moisture. Before packaging, the fish sticks go through final inspection. Scanners check their shape. Cameras examine the breading consistency. Scales confirm proper weight. Random samples are sent to the in-house lab, where they are cooked and tasted. Experts check for flavor, texture, juiciness, and appearance. After flash freezing, the fish sticks are transferred to the packaging line. A conveyor feeds them into machines that package each portion in heat-sealed film or cardboard boxes, depending on the brand and product format. For retail sale, they're packed in sets of 6, 10, or 20. For restaurants and fast food chains, large boxes weighing up to 5 kilograms. Each package receives its own label with their production date, expiration date, batch number, country of origin, barcode. The packaged products are sent to the deep freeze storage area. Inside, the temperature is maintained at around -18 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the flavor and texture remain stable throughout the entire shelf life. Special sensors monitor temperature 24/7. If anything goes wrong, the system immediately alerts an operator. Some warehouses use robotic forklifts to move boxes and fulfill orders automatically. Every day, dozens of tons of fish sticks leave the warehouse. Refrigerated trucks transport them across logistics networks to supermarkets, restaurants, and distribution centers. Every vehicle maintains a temperature below -18 degrees Celsius. All data is tracked online via GPS and temperature sensors. Even in transit, quality control never stops. Each factory has its own laboratory where hourly random checks are carried out. Fish sticks are thawed, cooked on test equipment, and sampled. Experts evaluate taste, juiciness, aroma, meat texture, crispiness of the breading. Microbiological tests are also performed, as well as checks for moisture, fat content, and compliance with standards. If even one parameter is out of spec, the batch is blocked. Modern fish sticks aren't just fish and breadcrumbs. Some recipes include spices, citric acid, natural extracts, or plant-based oils. Additives are carefully selected to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, or improve texture. But the top priority is safety. All ingredients are certified and lab-tested. In recent years, vegetarian and vegan fish sticks have become increasingly popular. They're made from plant proteins like soy, pea, chickpea, or seaweed. They closely mimic the appearance and taste of traditional fish sticks and follow the same process: forming, breading, frying, freezing, and packaging. Factories are adapting their production lines to meet the demand for these new products. Modern factories strive to reduce their environmental impact. Fish trimmings and leftover breading are turned into animal feed or fertilizer. Plastic packaging is increasingly made from recyclable materials. Some plants use solar panels and heat recovery systems. Even the water used for cleaning the fish is treated in multiple stages and partially reused in the process. Despite high automation, humans are still at the heart of it all. Dozens of specialists work at the factory: food technologists, machine operators, logistics experts, engineers, and lab technicians. They ensure quality, manage production lines, fix issues, and implement improvements. Without their skills and attention to detail, it would be impossible to deliver a consistent product across millions of packages. It's simple. They're easy, tasty, and fast. Just 5 to 7 minutes in the oven or pan, and you have a crispy, tender meal on the table. Kids love them. They're perfect for lunch boxes served with mashed potatoes, rice, or salad. It's a universal food for busy weeknights and easy dinners. That's why factories around the world produce hundreds of tons of fish sticks every single day. Now you know the full journey of an ordinary fish stick, from icy waters to supermarket shelves. Behind it all are fishing fleets, cutting technology, dozens of production stages, quality control, and global logistics. Every stick is the result of work by engineers, fishermen, food scientists, and packaging teams. So next time you hear that familiar crunch, remember just how much went into that bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. More behind-the-scenes stories from the world's biggest food and tech factories are on the way, from kitchens to conveyor belts.